Welcome to round 2 of Paper Aces, a knockout distance competition featuring 16 incredible paper airplanes. In today's matchup, we have Alkonost versus Rival 3, and I have to say this could be an absolute barn burner, with both planes posting flights over 140 feet in round 1. Alkonost is one of my very best darts, while Rival is one of my very best gliders. Either plane could be the tournament favorite if only they can get past their competition today. So let's see which plane comes out on top. 3, 2, 1, go! While Rival posted what was by far the best flight in the tournament to this point, Alkonost's consistency and excellent performance leads to victory today with a score of 4-1. With this result, Rival is eliminated from the tournament and Alkonost advances to the semifinals to face off against Durandal. If you would like to learn how to fold Rival 3 or Alkonost, just click on those videos on the left side of your screen, and if you'd like to see the next race in this tournament, just click on that video on the right. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next race.